Viking stalking old lady.
Fastest I ever walked in years. Young lady! Young lady! Oh, guy! Oh, little boys this year. Young lady, I got a question.
I'm a guy.
Take off your mask.
Look at my face.
Oh, I thought it was a mask. What's your last name, young lady?
I'm not supposed to talk to strangers.
Come give Granny a big hug.
No, thank you.
Okay, Ma. I gotta go home and brush my lump. Young lady! You made me lose my hat! My glasses! Young lady! Young lady! What's so funny for? Okay, Senior Buckcrack was showing him my lump fell out.
Okay, that's
Go home and brush your lump, old lady.